Kuckoo Kids.
Let's learn animal names.
Which animal is this?
The king of the jungle.
Lion. Which animal is this?
The big cat of the jungle.
Tiger.
It's a tiger.
Which animal is this?
The fastest animal on Earth.
It's a cheetah.
Try to find the difference between a cheetah and tiger.
Which animal is this?
The biggest animal on land. Elephant.
Elephant. Which animal is this?
He is the honey lover. Guess the name?
A bear. Which animal is this?
This animal lives in the snow. Guess who? He is the snow bear.
A polar bear.
Try to find the difference. Bear versus polar bear.
What is this animal called?
He is rhino.
What is this animal called?
Hippos love to stay in the water. He is a hippo. Let's find the difference between a hippo and a rhino.
Oh no!
What is this animal called?
Giraffe. The tallest animal on Earth.
Giraffe. Which animal is this?
The cunning animal in the jungle.
It's a fox. What is this animal called?
It's a cute animal.
So cute. A deer.
Wow!
Which animal is this?
He is a funny animal.
Panda. What is this animal called?
He is the ancestors of human.
Monkey. Which animal is this?
This animal is called llama.
What is this animal called?
An animal with a baby pouch.
Kangaroo. Which animal is this?
Look, it's a black and white animal.
Zebra. Which animal is this?
Wolf. Find more animals' names. Farm animals and pet animals coming up.